Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take some cuttings off I'm going to talk about getting some cuttings off this aucuba plant here we have in the yard here. Now this plant, we've had it for probably, this bush is probably about 30 years old. We're going to take a couple of cuttings off it and see if we can root them today. Get down in here, get some from it. Lay them on the ground. We'll get just a few off here, see if we can get them. Get some of these others down in here. Well, that might be enough right now. We got 4 cuttings. We'll take these 4 cuttings right here. Okay, I had to move everything up under my awning here outside my garage where I keep a lot of my plants and cuttings and stuff. So it started raining, so I'm gonna do this part of the video under the awning here. Now we have these cuttings that we took of the aucuba. I'm just gonna trim these up a little bit more than what they were. We'll root, see if we can. Now I know I've already got some of these. I already got some of these done, so we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna put some rooting hormone on these and see how long it'll take to get these to root. Trim this one up a little bit more. Get this one trimmed up a little. These should root in about a month or 2. Usually takes a while. Take a good while. Trim this one off. I hope all this is being, I can see this in the camera. You can see this, but so trim this now. Trim it up. Get a little wet. Now, I say it'd probably take 2 months for these to root good, but there's only 4 or 5 in there, so see how good those will do. Now here's an update on some of them that I've already rooted before. You look and you see the get the roots out. I'll wash some of these, but look at the roots on this thing. How these roots come out on this aucuba. You see these? Well, these right here. These are not, they just got a few roots on it starting. On this one, not very many. Some of these will root pretty quick, and some of the small ones root pretty quick. But this one just got a few roots on it, so it's doing pretty good. I had some of these have been planted for 3 or 4 months. Here's this one. Now this one only had one big root on it. You can take these now and separate them up and grow them out and get some more. I'm going to show you this one right here that I potted up. This is one that I grew from a cutting. This one had been growing for probably 4 months, I guess now, that this one's been potted up. I want you to see. The roots on this thing as it comes out. Now this is one big cutting I took a long time ago. Well, it's probably been 4 months, but look at the root system on this. I've been feeding this a liquid fertilizer, so it helped it grow, I guess, a lot faster. Just after it got a few, it started putting little growth on it, I started feeding it liquid triple 20 liquid fertilizer, and it's worked pretty good. So yeah, this is about 4 months, so it was small, just like these others over here that I just potted up. How they looked, they were small. Well, I didn't trim the leaves on these. Some of these had the leaves trimmed on them. These right here didn't, but when I made a video on this just recently, just a few minutes ago, potting these up, but they'll root and they'll look just like these before long. When they start to get bigger, I'll separate them like I did this one. Move it out of the pot into a pot of its own. So yeah, you can grow a aucuba fairly easy if you just take the cuttings. Usually a lot of things have a certain time that cuttings need to be taken. It's usually in June. End of May or June, that's when I took these, some of these. So, and I have some others taken just recently to root now, but maybe these will root up pretty quick too. They'll take, so I'll have a lot more of them, but I got these to plant out now, so this will be pretty good. Well, I guess that's about it for this video. So if you're into growing a aucuba, or you like a aucuba, this is a quick method to grow it. It doesn't take too long. It's pretty simple. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.